Hey, how's it going, Drew? It's Devin from BNI, also from Redux Digital Marketing. And I'm just making this quick video because I am interested in your business. I've always been interested in drone photography. I wanted to buy one a few years back, and my girlfriend at the time dissuaded me, and I've been in regret ever since. So I saw that you have this drone business, and I think it's really cool. So I just did a little bit of research to see what's going on. If you look up, this is a tool I use to check out keywords. Keywords are just phrases people search into Google to find, your business. So I typed in drone and Dallas, and these are the kind of keywords that are showing up what people are searching every single month for Dallas, like drone photography Dallas, 80 searches a month. That's not really important, but like drone in Dallas, 50 searches a month. Drone service, 30 searches a month. Drone rentals, I don't know if you guys do that. Stuff like that. So I'm going to show you just some quick tips on how you can rank your own website and take that and start getting those people seeing you first for free. So the first thing is I wanted to say I really like the look of your website. It's really clean, and it's just all the images are coherent, and just the fact that you have this aerial footage is awesome. All the aerial photography, the aerial footage, it's really cool having this kind of business because it almost makes its own media. I mean, that's what you do, is just create media. So I expected your website to look awesome, and it does. Now, what Google mostly cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but like what they can read on your site. This is all called content, and they want to see a lot of content because the website that has the most content on it is typically the one that's the authority on the subject. And their whole idea, Google wants to give their users the best experience. So they want it to be like, if they're going to show a website first, when that person clicks on that website, they don't leave that website and go to the next one. They want to make sure that that has everything that that person needs. So all that to say, you probably want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website. If I press Control A to copy it and then Control C to copy everything, I'll open up wordcounter.net and I'll paste all that content in. You can see that you only have 271 words. Now, your main competitor for drone photography Dallas is Hawkeye Media. And if I go and I press, oops, didn't mean to do that. Go back. If I do Control A, Control C, and then I paste it all in here, you're going to see that they have 1,300 words. So this is one of the biggest reasons why they're outranking you and they're showing up first for drone photography Dallas. However, it's good news because they're not considered an authority yet either. They don't have that 1,500 word mark. So by getting yourself to 2,000 words or more, blow them out of the water. Get to 2,600 words, double them up. Just by putting more content on your site, you're going to show Google you're more of an authority, and it's going to help beat them. Okay? Alongside that content, though, you're going to want to have alongside those, like that massive amount of content, you're going to want to have keywords inside the content, kind of like I was showing you. Drone photography Dallas, drone in Dallas, drone service Dallas, maybe drone rentals if you offer that, Dallas drone service, Dallas drone video. All these, you want to put them inside of your content. So if I press Control C to copy this, I press Control F on your page to bring up the searcher. I typed in drones photography Dallas. It shows up 0 times. So when you're writing in that extra content, I would add drone photography Dallas in there a couple times just to help you rank for that. You can also, quick little tip, you can also save your images as that. So like this little image here, instead of Drone Nerds Enterprise, this could say drone photography Dallas, and Google reads that, and so they can help rank for that. So that's my first tip for you. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is really important because Google, it's kind of like a popularity contest. They're looking for a lot of other websites pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, this is definitely a trustworthy website. They actually do, offer great drone services. Now, Google wants to see relevant websites linking to you, though. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have, like, videographer publications linking to you and other drone companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut or Baskin Robbins linking to you. Google knows you're not a food company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. I showed you already. It's a paid tool. You can use free tools to check out all this stuff I'm showing you. Just Google backlink checker or keyword planner. You can see all this stuff. But it says you currently have 9 websites linking to you or 9 referring domains. While if we go over to Hawkeye Media, these guys have 197 websites linking to them. So it sounds like, a lot. They have like over almost 20 times the amount that you have. But it's actually over 20. But it'd be easy to beat them because if these links that they have are good enough to rank them to number 1, then they're going to be good enough to rank you to number 1 too. And so I would take all 197 of these links and add them on top of your 9 to give you a total of 206. How do you do that? Super easy. You just click on this. You go visit, these are all the websites that are linking to them. You go visit each one of these websites and you put a link on these websites back to your home page. Sometimes you just create a profile on the website and just put a link in your profile pointing back to your page. Sometimes you have to click contact us and email the owner. Sometimes they may have you pay a small fee. But whatever Hawkeye Media had to do, if you copy them and you get those same 100 and whatever links pointed back to your 9, you're going to blow them out of the water, especially having more content. So by beating them with content and backlinks alone, that's how you beat them right here organically. If you want to show up number 1 for the ads, you need to just bid higher than your competitors for this keyword. But the last place I want to show you, and really the best place to show up, is right here in the Google My Business section. This is the best spot because I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I need to find something new that I've never been to before, I don't have someone I go to regularly, I always kind of Google whatever I need near me, and then I just usually pick the first person that shows up in the maps because it just seems trustworthy to me, right? Well, it turns out this is actually where most of the traffic goes, so it is the best spot to go. Getting here is really, really easy. All you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. And if you're wondering what a citation is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. Facebook's a directory nowadays. I think YouTube's considered a directory because you can list your business's info on there. But basically what I would do is I'd figure out what directories Drone Eyes was listed in. I'd list myself in those same ones, and I'd add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point for you, Drew. As a super quick recap, you're going to want blow them out of the water. Get 2,000, 2,500 words on this page to beat Hawkeye Media. They're sitting at about 1,300. Then take all the links that Hawkeye Media has linking to them and get them linking back to you. And then put your name, address, and phone number spelled the exact same way all across the internet in more directories than Drone Eyes. And if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across all of Google. You're probably wondering, what do I do now? You've got 2 options. You can take this information, you can apply it yourself, and I totally invite you to do that. It just takes some time to do this, so I advise that you get started sooner than later because it is going to take time to rank, and the sooner that you do rank up, the more money you're going to make, the faster you want to make, the faster you make it, right? If you want to have this stuff done, but you don't feel like you have the time to do it, or you just want someone else to do it for you, feel free to give me a call back. My phone number is 805-618-6426. I'd be glad to just come up, hear your goals, and come up with a plan for you. All right, thanks so much, Drew. Have a great day. Bye.